We have breaking news at the local astral radiation clinic. Most people know radiation from disasters like Chernobyl. Some effects include radiation poisoning, tissue damage, cancer, or even death. Now to boost no one with our eyewitness.
So I'm here with Cletus, and Cletus, tell me about the disaster.
You with the CIA?
I'm not from the CIA.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Alright, this is what happened. I was over at my buddy Squirrel's house in the next trailer house over.
Okay.
You know, the east side. And his gal's acting up. I was rubbing his big toe. Swelled up like grapefruit.
Really?
And Mama called me. She said she needed some Marlboro Light 100s. So I was going to go to the store. When I was walking back to my trailer house, I was walking along, and this big green guy, he was like 8 foot tall. He must have been about 400 pounds. He come through there and he stepped on my 64 Thunderbird, the one I've been renovating, redoing. The engine's over there in the tree. And he stepped on it and he ran off to the tree, so I grabbed my 12 gauge and I ran over there, and he already took off. He knocked some trees over and he was just roaring and loud, and I think that's him right there.
Come back, Cletus. See some video evidence of the incident.
It looks like Godzilla, but due to international copyright laws, it's not. Still, we should run like it is Godzilla! No, it isn't.
Now back to you, Ron.
Thank you, Bruce. And that'll be it for Radioactive News. Stay classy, San Diego.
Welcome back, DC. We have an updated report on last week's news.
The big green giant dude, known as Hulk, has been captured.
Now, here's some video for
Get on! Step on my 64 T-Bird. That's a classic. You got Gerald T. Ford. Classic. Hulk hates puny. You watch it! You watch it now!
Hulk was later found passed out in his normal form. Very interesting, Ron.
Yes, it was. Now let's see some x-rays from the doctors.
At a specialized facility just for the Hulk. And it will tell you why the Hulk is the way the Hulk is. Hi, I'm Dr. Gorkin. Here are some x-rays of this incredible phenomenon. I bet you guys are all wondering, why is the Hulk the way the Hulk is? It's quite simple. He's absorbed too much radiation. More than most people, but he had a little bit something extra in him. We're still trying to figure that out. So he has the common symptoms. I mean, cancer cells. He's got a change in his DNA, and the thing that hasn't happened yet, which we're so glad of, is he's not dead yet. Well, you may be wondering why I'm dressed like a superhero right now. Well, radiation. It's not just about superheroes. I mean, let me give you a brief history on it. Just before the 1700s, William Conrad Roentgen discovered the basic properties of X-rays, ionizing radiation, and the possibilities of using radiation in medicine. You know, for getting rid of cancer. In 1896, Henry Becquet announced the discovery of radiation.
That'll be it for today's newscast.
The way the cookie crumbles.
Yes. Stay classy, San Diego.